Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google AdSense in 2026, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Google AdSense website. Click on the Sign Up Now button to begin the registration process. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, create a new one by following the prompts. Once signed in, you'll be asked to enter the URL of your site where you plan to display ads. Fill in the required details accurately and ensure that your site complies with AdSense policies. Next, select your preferred payment method from the available options. Review and accept the AdSense terms and conditions to proceed. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. After submission, you may receive an email notification once your application is approved or if further action is needed. While waiting for the approval, ensure that your website has quality content and meets Google's guidelines. Once approved, log back into your AdSense account. Navigate to the Ads section within the dashboard. Click on Overview to create a new ad unit. Select the type of ad you want to create, such as display ads, in-article ads, or matched content. Customize the ad unit by choosing the size, style, and other settings according to your preferences. After customizing, click the Create button to finalize the ad unit. Copy the provided ad code that appears on your screen. Paste the code into your website's HTML where you want the ads to appear. For most platforms, this can be done through a widget or theme editor. Be sure to save the changes on your website after adding the code. Visit the Ads section again to review your newly created ad unit. Monitor your account regularly to track performance and earnings. Adjust your ad settings and placements as necessary to optimize revenue. Congratulations, your Google AdSense setup is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.